ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Continue the lesson. Panchadasha Pataha. You have seen, you read the first line. He Rama Uttishta Tava Hastau Darshaya. Now, Dvitiya Vakyam, Ramaji.
Shamitamji, we didn't finish Tava Hastau Darshayanda, we didn't do.
Okay.
Even Uttishta fully, we didn't complete everything for the first one. Uttishta also, we didn't. For that, Kriya Padam also.
We will do it from the beginning. Yes, Ramaji. Hey Ram, you can read.
Okay. Rama Uttishta. So this is Rama is Sampodana. Uttishta Lot Lakara. Then
Lot Lakara Uttishta. Dhatu is Sta Dhatu.
Ha Dhatu. Yeah, with two Upasarga. The what should I tell?
I think we did this the last class with Upasarga, Utstiyate and all we did, I think.
Yeah.
I introduced one.
Yeah. Rule list.
Yes.
Tha and Stamba Dhatus when Ut precedes.
Ut precedes. And in connection to that, Alaha, Yamam, Yemi, Lopaha, Jarojari Savatne. That also I
Jarojari. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we completed, right?
That we have finished.
We have done, yes.
Karmani form we were, Karmani Stiyatam we were.
No problem. We can do all. Latlakara is?
Latlakara is Uttishtati.
Upasarga. Yes. Utupasarga Stadatu. So becomes Uttishtati. Yes.
This Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. So
here, you know, Stadatu.
Rama is.
Latlakara is Uttishtati. Stadatu, when followed by Shit Pratyaya, Sta will be replaced by Uttisht. Okay. So Ramaha Uttishtati, Latlakara, not load, just simple Latlakara.
Hmm.
Stadatu, Padatu, Gradatu, those dhatus, list of dhatus we have seen. Those dhatus. Shap, Shiti Pare, when a Shap or when a Shit, when a Pratyaya having Shakara as the letter follows, then what will happen? They are replaced by an Adesha. Yes, Ta is replaced by Tisht, therefore Uttishtati. And Lang Rupam would be
Lang ut plus Atisht.
will become
Ut plus Atishtat. So Utatishtat.
Udatishtat.
Yeah, Utatishtat.
Udatishtat. The form would be Udatishtat.
In Lord Linga.
Load would be Uttishta.
Uttisht. Yeah.
Okay.
And Linglakara will be Tishtet. So Ut plus Tishtet.
Uttishtet.
Tishtet.
Rupam would be Uttishtet. Yes.
Then Lit Lakara.
Shatrila, yeah, Shatra, we cannot do it. Leave it. Karmani would be Karmani load.
Yes, Stiyate. So Ut plus Stiyate. Here only
I think we
that
did that. So yeah. Plus becomes
Sakara will become Thakara.
Uttiyate.
Uttiyate.
Yes, Uttiyate. This is what I think we did in the last class, right? Uttiyate. Load Karmani would be Hey Rama.
Yes.
Uttish.
That is Uttiyatam. That one.
Huh?
Uttiyatam.
Yes, Uttiyata. Uttiyata. Yes.
We saw till this only.
Okay. Then the next one, Tavatu.
Uttitavan.
Uttitavan. Ut plus Sta plus Tavatu. Sta will become Akara is replaced by E. Uttitavan. Ramaha Uttitavan. Ramaha Uttitavan is equal to Ramaha Udatishtat. Right? Long form.
Yeah.
Rama got a Ta pratyaya.
Uttita.
Ramaha Uttitaha. Again, it is Kartari. Ramena Uttitam Karmani. Ta pratyaya. Because Sta dhatu Akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, Akarmakatvat denotes Karta. Bhave is Ramena Uttitam. Can denote Karta also. Then Ramaha Uttitaha. Ritlakara Rupam
will be
Sta plus
Ya plus
Syati. Sta plus Syati. It becomes Stasyati. Ut Upasarga. The Rupam would be Ut plus Stasyati. Ut Stasyati. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Trich.
Then now Utta plus Sta plus Statra.
Utthatr. Sta plus Tra is Tatra. Utthatr.
Utthatr. Yeah, Sakara will become.
Utthatr.
And then
Null.
Null will be plus Tha plus Null will Akha. Stapaka. Uthapaka.
Uthapaka. Yes, good. Yes. Dhatu is stapi.
Hmm.
It will get put pukagama. So, sorry, not
Ika.
that, not dhatu is stapi. Okay. But uttapaka will come when it,
Akara will kagama. No, not like
yes.
that. Yeah.
No, when niche
And
follows, sta will get pukagama.
kagama.
But here also it will get only because the rule says when now pare, here nakara also it only. Therefore, uttapaka rupam will be uttapaka. So it is like the Nijanta rupam only. Uttapaka. It will get pukagama. It's not a dhatu. It will get pukagama. So stop. Stop is the dhatu
Dhatu.
getting the form, getting the pukagama. Stop. Stop plus null. Here it is. Occur. Therefore, we have uttapaka. Uttapaka.
Then lute lakara. Lute, sorry, not lakara. Lute form will be
Yes.
ut plus ta plus ana. Uthapana.
Uttapana.
One form.
Tavya.
Tavya. Tavya is ut plus ta plus tavya. Start tavya.
Yes. Statavya only. Uttatavya.
Thavya. Thavya. Then ut plus ta plus aniya. Stapaniya here again.
No. Stop. Pukagama will not come. Uttaniya.
Aniya. Okay. Aniya. Then
Tva and yep.
twa. Twa is ut plus ta plus twa. Titwa. No.
Sta plus tva is titva. Sta plus tva is titva. With ut upasarga, tva will be replaced by lep.
Yeah. Okay. So
Then-
uthaya will the form.
It will be uttaya. So form would be uttaya.
Yeah.
Then tumun.
Tumun. The plus ta plus tu. Chitun.
Uttatum. Uttatum.
Yeah.
Then Nijanta rupam. Nijanta
Here,
rupam.
Stap.
Here only. Yeah.
Stapi is the dhatu. So stapayati. Stapayati is the latlakara form.
Yes. Stapayati. Stapayet. Astapayat. Astapayatu. All the form. Okay. Then Pradanta. Ta pratyaya. Ta tavatu rupam.
Plus stapi plus ta. Stapita. Thapita.
Stapita. Stapita.
So
With upasarga.
it will become uthapita.
Uttapita.
Then stapi plus tavatu. Stapitavat. So here stapitavan. Thapitavan.
Uttapitavat. Uttapitavan. Aruttapitavati. Aruttapitavat. All the linga. Latlakara. Nijanta rupam.
Stapi plus ya plus t. Stape plus
Yes.
ish. Stapayishyati.
Stapayishyati. With uttapasarga it becomes
So
uttapa. Uttapa ishyati, right?
Uthapayishyati.
Utthapayishyati. Causing to wake up.
Wake up.
Then Trich.
Stapi plus trich. So stapitru.
No, stape, cause guna.
Oh, okay.
Ardhataka
Stape.
pratyaya pare.
Yeah. Stapayitru. So uthapayitru.
Utthapayitra, yes.
Uthapayitri.
Yes, Uttapayitri. And
Mm.
Napumsakalinge,
Uthapayitru.
how do you decline Napumsakalinga? Uttapayitru.
Katri.
Napumsakalinga.
Through only, right?
Uttapayitru,
Mm.
Uttapayitrani,
Okay.
Uttapayitruni.
Really.
Like Datra, Datrani, Datrani, Datra, Datrani, Datruni, then Datra, Datubhyam, Datubihi, Datre, Datubhyam, Datubhyaha, Napumsakalinga, Karanta, Datra, Shabdavat. Uttapayitru, Uttapayitrani, Uttapayitruni. Prathama Vibhakti. Ekavachan, Dvivachan, Bhagavachan. Okay. Karanta Shabda. Then will Rupa Mati.
Plus Akar. Will so it is like nature. So stop. Stape. It will
No,
become.
no, that before being stape.
Oh, it is
Kimbhavati.
nature.
Nich, this nit, pratyaya,
Mm.
fine, it will do vriddhi, but before doing vriddhi,
Oh, Ikara will.
yeah, ikara will drop,
Goes.
right? And it
Yeah.
pratyaya pare,
Anid pratyaya pare.
ni
Nehi.
lopa bhavati, therefore you have formed
Stop plus Akar.
Utthapaka,
It is Tapak. So Uthapaka.
Utthapaka. The same thing for Yut also.
Yeah, stop. Uthapan. And that.
Utthapanam,
Mm.
Tavya will be
Kavyam. Stapi plus. So Stapayitavyam.
yes, Stapayitavyam.
Uthapayitavyam.
Now use this in the Vakya. Hey Rama Uttishta. Stapayitavya.
Okay. Stapayitavyaha. Ramaha stapayitavyaha.
Yes, Rama should be woken up. Ramaha Uttapayitavyaha. Yes. Aniya.
Aniya. Stapi plus Aniya. Here also it is Anit, so Ikara will go away. Stapaniya.
Stapaniya. Ramaha Uttapaniyaha.
Stapaniyaha.
Yes. Then Twa or Yep. Stapi plus Yep. Sorry, Stapi plus Twa Pratyaya. Then we can do Yep. What will happen? We have seen this. Stapayitva.
So Uthapayitva.
It will cause Guna.
Mm.
Guna will happen. Uttapa, Utta, then if it is Ut Upasarga, Stapayitva, Ut Upasarga, then Tva is replaced by Lyap. If it is Lyap, it is Anit. It is Anit. Therefore, Tapya, it will be
So Ikara goes away. So Uthapya.
Tapya. Form would be Uttapya. Then last one, Tuman.
plus stapi plus tum. Stapayitum. So stapayitum.
Yes, uttapayitum. Next one, tava hastau darshaya. You can use different prakaras, you can form sentences. Tava hastau darshaya. That's a sentence, I think. It's Vakya. Yes. Tava hastau darshaya. Yes, Ramash, continue.
Yeah. Tava hastau darshaya.
Dhatu,
Dhatu is Drishyar Dhatu.
Drishir Dhatu. Yes.
First Gana and Parasmepati Anit Dhatu.
What is the meaning? Drishir
Prekshane.
Prekshane. Yes. Prakarshena Ikshanam. Iksh Dhatu. Ikshanam. Ikshanam is lut. Prakarshena Ikshanam. So Dhatu is Drishir Dhatu. Here is Itsanya. Here is Itsanya. Drishir Upadeshika Dhatu Rupam Drishir Dhatu. Here Itsanya Vachya. Iti. That is Vartika. That Vartika here is Itsanya. So the total here is Itsanya. Not Repa will become Lopa and therefore E is Lopaha will bring in Nummagama. No. Nummagama, it will come only if Ikara is Itlet. Idit Dhatu. But here it is Drishir. Here is the Itsanya. Therefore Nummagamaha Nabhavati. Okay. So yes. So Drishir Prekshane. Lat Rupam is
That Pashyati.
Pashyati. This is also by the same rule we have seen. Pa, gra, dva, etc. Remember the rule? We saw in the Vadigana also. The first Gana, we saw that rule. The list of dhatus, pa, gra, dva, etc. When followed by Shit Pratyaya, will be replaced by the corresponding Adesha. So Drish
Yes.
will be replaced by Pashya.
Pashya.
Pashya. So this is the Dhatu Adesha.
Dhatu Adesha. Yeah.
Pashya. So Pashyati, that Rupam Pashyati. Lang Rupam
Lang is Apashyat.
Apashyata. Okay, now here it is, anyway, it's causative, it's given. We can do causative. We can do Anyanta as well as Nijanta. Both you can do. Pashyati is Anyanta. Causative is
Darshayati.
Darshayati. Tava astau darshaya. Darshaya. What darshaya? Darshaya is Tava has Lotlaka. What does it mean? Tava astau darshaya. Hey Rama Uttishta Tava astau darshaya.
See your hands.
Tava astau Pashya will come, right? If it is see your
Yeah,
hands.
Pashya.
Pashya.
Show your hand. Show your hands.
So here it is, it's not getting up from the bed. Maybe the teacher is asking, get up from your seat and show your hand. So therefore, it is Darshaya. And the Vakyam itself is Nijantam is Tava Astav Darshaya. We can use. So Pashyati Darshayati. Ramaha Astav Darshayati. He shows his hand. The next sentence, like Lang Lakara. Like that you can form. You can say the Vakyam also. Apart from giving the Kriya Padam, you can give the Vakyam. Yes. Lang Rupam. For both Anyanta and Nijanta.
Ramaha Hastau.
Apashyat.
Pashyat. Here, Ramaha Hastau Adarshayat.
Adarshayat. Yes, Adarshayat. Lot.
Lot will be Pashya. Ramaha Hastau Pashya. Rama hastau pashya. Then darshaya will be Rama hastau darshaya.
Yes. Ling would be
Be Ramaha hastau darshet. Sorry, pashyet. Pashyet. The Nijanta will be darshayet.
Darshayet.
Only. Yeah.
Shatru, leave it. Karmani.
Karmani will be Drishyate is the form.
Good.
So Ramena
Hastau.
Hastau Bahuvachanam here.
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam, sorry. Dvivachanam. So Drishyate.
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 And we just like that lakara. If it is lot, you can say yes. Lot would be Drishyeta.
Drishyeta. Then
And Nijanta.
Nijanta darshayati. So Ramena
So Darshi plus okay. Darshi plus let Karmani. First Karmani would be Karmani form of Darshi.
Darshi.
Karmani form of Nijanta.
Darshi darshayat. Yak will come.
Darshi plus Yak plus
Okay.
Te, suppose. This is Anit.
So again Anit, so Ikara goes away. So Darsh plus Darsh plus Yak plus
Darshyate.
Darshyate.
Form would be Darshyate. You have never seen the such forms. Darshi plus Yak plus Te. Darshyate. So Darshyate is Nijanta Karmani. Nijanta Karmani it is. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What does it mean, Darshyate? Is caused to show. So Ramena Hastau Darshyate. Right? Hastau, the hand, the two hands are caused to be shown by the Rama. Because the teacher asked Darshyate. Okay. Then Karmani. Karmani already we did. So
Yeah.
not required. Then the next one, you can do Tavatu directly. After we have done everything.
Yeah. Darsh the Tavatu
For both Pashtatu.
here Akit here Kit Pratyaya follows. So
Yes.
it is Drishtavan only. If it is Akit, it is Ammadama comes.
Yes. Drish plus Ta Pratyaya would be
Drish plus Drishta.
Drishta, Murdane Shakara. Drishta. If it is Darshi plus Ta would be
Drishta Pratyaya. So Ikara goes away. Darsh plus
we saw this also the rule in the last class. Setaha Nishtaya. Ta Pratyaya is Set Pratyaya. When it follows
Darshita, it is.
E goes away.
Here E goes away and the Ta will take Agamas.
Darishta, the form will be something like this. I'm not sure. You have to check this because Darshi is the causative, Nijanta, Dhatu, which is a Set Dhatu. Ta is Nishta Pratyaya. Setaha Nishtaya, Ni Lopaha Bhavati. By that rule, E goes away. Therefore, Darsh plus Ta Pratyaya. Darsh plus Ta, then Shattam number 1. Darshta will be the Rupam.
Darshta. Okay.
But you don't see all this Rupam anywhere. This is a form, applying the rules, whatever we know. This is a form you get. If there is some exception somewhere, something some any Vyakarana says something, then possible. Because we never see the forms, right? Drishta only we use.
Hmm.
So this is the Tavatu would be the same.
Tavatu drishtavan.
Right? Drishtavan or
And
Darshtavan.
Nijanta Darshtavan.
Okay, then Lit Lakara.
It
Drish.
will be Drakshyati for
Yes.
this.
The last class we saw
Anija.
this. Right?
Yeah.
Drish plus.
Shakara will be replaced by Kakara when followed by Sakara.
Yes. Yes. First is Shaktam, number 1. Shakara replaced by Murdanya Shakara. Then Shakara replaced by Kakara. And Drish followed by, now only this Akit, what you said. Ammagama will come.
Hmm.
So therefore, then it becomes Drakshyati. The last class we saw this form, Drakshyati. Then Rikara plus Ayan Sandhi, Drakshyati iti rupam. That Lakara of Drishtatu. If it is causative form,
Darshi Dasya.
Darshi plus Siti. We'll take Iktagama.
Yeah, Darshishyati.
Yes, it will become Darshayishyati.
Okay, Darshayishyati.
Darshi will become Darshe. Darshe plus Ittagama, it will take Ishyati. So Darshe becomes Ayadi Sandhi, Darshai, then Darshayishyati iti rupam, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Trich. Trish plus Trich.
Darshitra. Here it is Akit, so Ammagama comes. So it is Dra.
Yes, Ammagama comes, it becomes Dra. Then Shakara is the
Drashtr. Drashta, Drashtara.
Yes, Drashtr. Then Shtutta Sandhi, Drashtr iti rupam. So, Drashta, Drashtaro, Drashtara. Strilinga would be Drashtri, Ikaranta. Adi Shabda, Drashtri, Drashtriyo, Drashtyaha. Napumsakalinga, Drashtr, Dashtrini,
Only
Drashtrini. Now, causative. Replace Drish by Darshi, causative. Darshi plus Drish.
So need here.
It is Ittagama. It is a Set Dhatu. Darshi is a Set Dhatu. Trich also Set Pratyaya. Set. Therefore, Ittagamaha Bhavati. Darshi will become
Darshayitru.
Darshayitru. Form would be Darshayitru. Darshayita, Darshayitaro, Darshayitara, Darshayitri, Darshayitriyo. So Ramaha is in this Vakya, Ramaha, Rama, Tava Darshaya. So Rama is
Darshayita.
Ramaha Darshayita. He is the exhibitor, he is a shower, Darshayita. Who is a Drashta? Drashta is the Adhyapaka. I think the lesson is Adhyapaka. Is a seer. So Ramaha Darshayita, Adhyapaka Drashta. That's the null. Both
Plus
Pashtatu as well as Darshidatu.
Drish plus
Pashtatu, it is Drish only. Drish plus null would be, null is Aka.
Darshaka.
Yes, Drish plus Aka. Akit, Jaladi Akit Pratyaya Pari Am Bhavati. Okay. Otherwise it will not. So Drish plus Aka would be, yes, Darshaka. It can cause, yes, yeah, it can cause Angakarya. The penultimate upada is Hrasva
Penultimate.
upada.
Guna happens.
Therefore, guna happens Darshaka. Rupam is Darshaka. Darshaka meaning
Darshaka, so person who is it denotes karta.
yes,
So
is a
who's
seer.
ah,
Seer.
ah,
Darshaka is seer. It's equal to Drashta only. Drashta, Darshaka, both are same. Nul Trichau, Kartari, Nul Trichau. Nul or Trish denotes Karta. Right? Okay, now something what we saw in the Ashtadhyayi class also. If you add Pip Pratyaya, you get Karta. What is the Rupam? Remember? Pip Pratyaya. Kartari Kvip. But also, maybe here we have not seen, but let me tell that. Drish plus there's some Pratyaya called Kvip. What is Kvip Pratyaya?
it is zero content.
Content is zero. The content of the Pratyaya Kvip is zero. Kvip also, like Trich, Nul, denotes Karta. Pip Pratyaya can be added to any dhatu. What Pratyaya is that? Pip Pratyaya. Pip Krit Pratyaya. So Kartari Krit. There is a Utsarga Vidhi, general rule, that the Krit Pratyayas added to the dhatu will denote Karta. Kritya is Apavada, exception to that. Kritya will denote Kritya Pratyaya, like Tavya, Aniya, Yat, will denote what? It will denote
Karma.
karma. It will denote karma. It's apavada. So kartari krit and krityas are karma. And it is sense of this sense of praishati sarga, prapta kaleshu, etc. That in those meaning they are used. Lingarte, lota, or lot arte. Krityas are used. It is mood. No, it is not a lakara, tavya, niyata. It is mood, like load. Now, drish plus kvip, what will happen? We have seen it's a zero suffix. Pakara is ith letter, and E is also E ith letter. Kakara is ith letter, and Pakara is left out, that is also ith letter. First, you have to see what are the letters. Kakara plus Pakara plus Ikara plus Pakara. All the letters are ith letter, therefore, content is zero. Zero suffix. What will happen to drish plus kvip now? You have seen this. Adding this, what you get? You get a Krudanta, which is a Pratipadikam, like any other forms. Drish is the Pratipadikam. Now decline Drish. Drish means the seer. Drish means the seer.
Plus shap plus three t.
No, why shab? It's a Krudanta. You cannot add shab.
Okay.
It's a Pratipadikam.
Yeah, I'm
You cannot
declaring.
add shab. You have to
Okay.
add su only.
Okay.
Su.
Okay. Yeah, sorry.
It's a Krudanta. Krudanta is Pratipadikam.
Yeah.
So therefore, what will be the declension?
Yeah, Prathama Vibhakti will be plus su.
Yes, anybody? What is your form?
Drakshu.
Drish plus su. Yes, you're right. Tell me that. Yes, drik. The form is, that's what you get. Drik, drishya, viveka. The seer, how do you get? This is alupta drik and all we saw. This drik is from this only. Drik, drishau, drishaha. So we have seen the shabda also. In fact, we have seen the declension when we saw back. Subanta, this applying when we saw this applying this shabda rule. That time we saw dish shabda, drish shabda. Those subanta shabdas already we have seen. We take the shabda manjari, dish shabda is there. How this shabda is declined? The shabda dish is direction. It is strilinga shabda. How do you decline? Dik, dishau, dishaha. Disham, Dishau, Dishaha, Disha, Digbhyam, Digbihi. We have Shabda Manjari. Please take it. I'll open the Shabda Manjari. The same way, this is declined. Chakarantaha, Strilingaha, Tish Shabdaha. So, Strilinga Prakarane, what is Strilinga Prakaranam? Shakaranta Shabda. Here it is. Dish is there, wish is there, and Shakarantaha, Strilingaha. There is, I think it is in the Shabda Manjari, it is there, I think, on Shakaranta Shabda.
It is like Tadrish Shabdavat. Just even like
Tadrish, yes.
Tadrik, Tadrik, Tadrishav, Tadrisha.
Tadrishaha, Tadrisham, Tadrisho, Tadrishaha, yes. Shakarantaha, Pullingaha. Sakaranta. Here it is. This Shabda also, it seems I have seen. I don't know whether now it is not here. This Tadrish Shabda. So
This
yes.
Shabda we have seen.
Hmm?
This we have seen, the declension. All-
Last.
Yes.
Yeah, last, towards the end.
So it is it there in the Shabda Manjari? This Shabda. I'm not sure. But it is
I don't, no, it's not there.
This is not there.
not there. It is Strilinga Shabda. This is. So it is like Tadrish Shabda. Tadrish Shabda also two types are there. Tadrisha is Akaranta. Tadrish also it is there. Akaranta is like Rama Shabda. And Strilinga also possible declension. Tadrisha is different. Tadrish is different. Tadrish is Quinanta. Okay, that we will see. Quin. That is also okay. I remember now. Quin Pratyaya and all I taught you. I mean, the zero suffix.
Yeah,
Not in
Ritvich.
detail.
Yeah, you taught us.
Quin and all zero
Ritvich.
suffix. Yes. Ritvich. Yes, Ritvich is Quin. Good. Ritvich or Visad Dadrish. Okay. So Quin, I mean zero suffix, you know. I taught you Quip and Quin. Added to the Dhatu will get the Pratipadikam and that denotes the Karta. That's called Kartari Vyutpatti. Okay. I mean, this is Pashyati iti Drik. That is Kartari Vyutpatti. The one who sees is called seer. Pashyati iti Drik Bhavati. Drik. The one who sees. That's called Kartari Vyutpatti. Drish plus Kvip Pratyaya. You get like Tadrish Shabdavat. Tadrish become Tadrik. So Drish will become Drik. Oh, I'm thinking that I'm showing the Shabda Manjari. Okay. Yeah, Shabda Manjari is here. Pashyati iti Drik, the seer. So Tadrish Shabdavat. So Drik, Drishau, Drishaha, Ta, you remove it. What form you have? Drik, Drishau, Drishaha, Drisham, Drishau, Drishaha, Drisha, Dikbyam, Drisha, Drikbyam, Drikbihi, iti. How do you get that? Drish plus Su. Su is, what will happen to Su? Su will go away.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, Lopaha.
Because Su is, who only is there? So Sakara is Pratyaya, which will go away. Therefore, you have Drish alone. Drish is a Padam. Now, Shakara at the end of the Padam, what will happen? We can apply the rule. Brascha, Shakaranta. Shakaranta Dhatu. This is okay. This is another thing. See, Drish is a Dhatu, right? Drish is a Dhatu. Adding Pip, you get again Drish. So this is a Pratipadikam, and also it enjoys the status of being a Dhatu also. Dhatu means you cannot add Kriya, cannot add the Tinganta. Dhatu means this Dhatutvam Asti. Right? Vinantam, Pibantam, Dhatutvam na Jahati. So doesn't mean that you will add Tinganta. No. The rules which are in the where the the dhatus are involved, if rules are there, those rules will apply. Why this? We saw dade, dhatu, gaha, and all. We saw that dhatu, the word is mentioned. The sutra itself, it is there. Anyway, so here drish is a pradipadikam. It's since it has the dhatutum also, the dhatu ending with the shakara, which is at the end of the padam, are followed by jal. That shakara will be replaced by what? Will be replaced by
Shakara.
Murdhanya shakara. Will be replaced by Murdhanya shakara. Then after that, what will happen?
Jashtvam one.
Just one. Apply that. You get?
Dring.
You get?
Drid we will get.
After that,
That will become Kutvam we can.
exactly, it will happen Kuttam. Because Drish Dhatu, it is not Kvip, it is twin. It's an Apavada to Kvip. Drish Dhatu, in the sense it will take Pin Pratyaya. Sense of this, the Drish Dhatu will take Pin Pratyaya. Okay, this is specified as a rule. For Drish Dhatu, will add Pin Pratyaya, not Pin Pratyaya. Pin is also like Pin Pratyaya only, it's a zero suffix. The content is zero only. So therefore, when it is a Quinanta, you have to apply Kutvam. So Drid will become Drig. And Vavasana, if you apply, it becomes Drig. This we have seen, but long back, maybe you don't remember. We have seen Tadrish Shabda, Ritvish Shabda, in those cases we have applied Kutvam. Do you remember? It is Kutva Vidhi, Pin Pratyaya Stiktuhu iti. We have seen. Do you remember? Yes.
Yes, dear.
No, we
This-
have seen Dish Shabda.
This
It is
Shabda we
like-
have seen, but
Hmm.
Kutva Vidya we have seen or not?
Yeah,
Hmm.
we have seen.
Yes, maybe that Quin Pratyaya added to Drish, that those in detail we have not seen here. But Pin Pratyaya we have seen. When Pin Pratyaya is added, Kuttam will happen. In the context of Shabda and all we have seen here.
Yeah.
In this
Kutva
class only.
Vidhi 2. Yeah, Kutva
Yes.
Vidhi 2 you have given us.
Yes, Kutva Vidhi too. Anyway, this is that is incidental information. We have seen that. So the form is Drik. That is why Drik, Drishya, Viveka. Drik means seer. Okay. So why we are talking about this? So Drik or Darshaka or Drashta all mean the same thing. All are seer only. But Drik is used frequently. Darshaka is also seer. Drashta is seer. So Drik is equal to Drashta. Right. Okay. Emaji, let's continue. This is all extra details. So we call what we have seen Shakaranta Shabda. Okay.
Next, Nijanta null.
Oh, Nijantanu. So I'll remove this. Okay. I'll remove this. Nijanta Dhatu would be the she
Darshi. So
plus
Darshi.
Aka.
So Darshe,
No. Aka is Anit Pratyaye Pare.
Oh,
Anit, remember.
So
Nijanta is
Nehe
there, you have
Anit.
to watch the Pratyaya. Whether it is
Nehe Anit. So
yes.
Darsh plus Aka. Darsh plus Aka. Darshaka only. Same
Darshaka
thing.
only. Just the same thing. Then Lyut would be
Lyut. Drish plus Lyut. Ana. Darshana.
Darshana. Drish plus
Ah.
Anna. Darshana. That is Darshanam. Okay, you can use this in a sentence. Tava hastau darshaya is there. Use the word darshana.
Yeah. Hasto darshaya.
Yeah, drish is tava hastau pashya. You see your hand. You have to say like that. Then you can say you show your hand. You see your hand. Tava hastau pashya. Now we can use pashya. Tava hastau pashya. Tava hastau darshaya. Two vakyas are there. Tava hastau pashya. Use the word darshana.
So here, hasto darshanam.
Tava hasta darshanam karotu.
Karotu. Okay, karotu.
Or kuru, whatever may be.
Kuru. Yeah.
Kuru. Hasta darshanam kuru. Pratak kale shayanat uttaya hasta darshanam kuru. Right? Karagre vasate lakshmi. Hasta darshanam kuru. So, yes, hasta darshanam is what? What did you say? Astoho. How would it be astoho? Astayoho it will be.
Hastayoho. Yeah.
Shashti tat purusha samasa. If you want to use samasa, that's what I used. Asta darshanam I said. Kara darshanam. You remove the asta kara. Karagre vasate lakshmi. Kara darshanam, right? That's what the shloka is also. Kara darshanam. Karayoho darshanam. Kara darshanam. Seeing of the hand. It is Shashti tat purusha samasa. Kara darshanam. Asta darshanam. Karotu kuru. Right? Now, Kara darshanam. What will be the, no, it is darshi.
Darshi.
Darshi plus ana, causative.
Darshi plus again.
Same only.
Same only. Darshanam only.
So now the form would be, I mean, say vakyam would be.
Okay. Darshanam.
Tava hastau darshaya. Show your hand. We can use now. Darshana, the word. You have to use the vakyam.
Here also.
Same thing. Kara, yes. Yes.
Karayitu.
Karayatu. Tava darshanam karaya.
Karaya.
Tava hasta darshanam kara darshanam karaya. Karayatu, karayatam, karayantu. Karaya, madhyama purusha, ekavacham. Karaya or karayatu, your choice. Tava hasta darshanam, kara darshanam, karaya, karayatu. It means show your hand. Right? Yes.
Yeah.
Then, tavya.
Now, tavya is drish plus tavya, drashtavya.
Drashtavya. What happens here? Drashtavya, yes, you told before.
Yeah. Akita, so Amagama comes and
Amma. Yes. Becomes drashtavya.
Then darshaniya.
Yes. Darshaniya. Darshita, darshayitavya. Okay, not darshana. Darshayitavya.
This is for Anijanta.
This is yes, anyanta. Yes. Ajanta would be.
Anijanta would be the darshayitavya.
Darshayitavya. So now we can use drashtavya, darshayitavya also in the vakyam. Ramaha.
Ramaha tava hastau. So darshayit drashtavyaha. Ramena drashtavyaha.
Ramena hastau drashtavyau.
Drashtavyav. Dvivachana.
Then if it is darshi.
Darshi means Ramena.
Same thing only.
Darshayitavyav.
Darshayitavya. Rama should show the two hands. Yes. Ramena hastau darshayitavyav. Ramena hastau drashtavyav. Right?
Yeah.
If it is pustakam drashtavyam or darshayitavyam. Right?
Yeah.
Gita drashtavya, darshayitavya. Right? If filling in.
Yeah.
Yes. Aniya.
Niya is the Darshi plus Aniya, and it Darshaniya only. Darshaniya.
Use in the vakyam darshaniya.
Ramena Hastau Darshaniyau.
Darshaniya.
Yeah.
Means
Made to show.
no. Darshaniya is Rama should see the hand. We are doing Anyanta form first. Right?
Yeah.
Rama should see his two hands. If it is Nijanta now, Darshi.
Darshi. Here also it is Darshaniya only, right? No,
The form, yes, the form, because it is Nijanta and Anit.
Anit.
I mean, say it not, it is, yeah, it is Anyanta. This is, sorry, this is Aniti. Aniti pare, he goes away, therefore same from Darshaniya. Same thing.
Yeah. So Ramena Hastau Darshaniyau.
Darshaniya. Twa pratyaya.
Drish plus.
Yeah, any, okay. Upasarga we will do later. Now, Drish plus Twa.
Drish. Twa is kit, so Drish Twa only.
What happens? Shaktam number 1, right? Jaladi pratyaya pare. Shakara, shakaranta dhatu, followed by the shakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal. Then shakara, mudanya shakara will come.
Dani shakara.
Guna will negate it. Then shtutvam drishtva.
Drish.
Drishtva tu pandavanikam. Yudham duryodhanastata drishtva. Having seen. Then lyap would be.
Yep. So Sandrishya.
Yes, with some upasarga. So become lyap. So here, in the last class, I think I told that this Twa pratyaya can be replaced by lyap when it is only when it is not a nunj. If it is nunj, you cannot do it. If it is a nunj was there, then Twa will not be replaced by lyap. It's a rule. Some plus drish plus lyap. What will happen here?
Sandrishya.
Sandrishya. I think happens. Just simple. Sandrishya. And causative would be?
Causative. Darshi plus Twa. Darshayitva.
Yes. Darshi plus Twa.
Darshayitva.
Darshayitva. Good. Then Darshi plus lyap would be?
Sandarsh. So again. Anita.
Sandarsh. Yeah.
Sandarshya.
Sandarshya. Rupam would be Sandarshya. Sandarshya. Then Tumun.
Drish plus Tumun. Darshitum. Drashtum, sorry.
The same.
Amma.
Amma comes. Remember, when Jaladi pratyaya pare, this will happen. And it should be Akit. So it becomes Drashtum.
Then Nijanta will be Darshi plus Tum. Darshayitum.
Darshayitum. The Rupam is Darshayitum. Darshi plus Tum. Darshi will become Darshe. The Nayadi Sandhi. We have Darshayitum. Okay, next one. Nijanta Rupam. Not required. Already we did, right? Nijanta already we covered everything. Because in the Vakyam itself, Rama, Tavastav, Darshaya is there. Therefore we did separating it. Not required.
Say like this. Acharya, Ramam, Hastau, Darshayitum, Vadati. No,
No, you're using darshayitum.
Yeah, to show.
So yeah, darshayitum. So that tum pratyaya kriyayam kriyartayam. Another kriya also required. So darshayitum ichchati.
Chati or vadati like that.
Darshayitum. Yeah, darshayitu iti vadati only you can say. Darshayitum vadati cannot say. Darshayitum ichchati or darshayitum shaknoti. You have seen, remember, shakdatu and all. If you use shakdatu, tuman will be there. Patitum shaknoti, kartum shaknoti, dhavitum shaknoti. So shakdatu is there, then you will see that tum will be there. Tum will be there. Another kriya, another the tuman, another padam will be there. Tumanta padam, avaya padam will be there. So darshayitum shaknoti or darshayitum
Chati.
ichchati, ichcharte also will come. So you can say it.
Yeah,
So
same.
darshayatu iti acharya vadati only you can say. Darshayitum you cannot
Okay.
say. Darshayitum vadati cannot be said. Syntactically that is wrong. Khaditum, see, Ramaha khaditum bhojanalayam gacchati. That is different. Khaditum to eat. So Vaidyam prati astadarshanam astadarshanam karayitum saha chikitsalayam gacchati. You have to say like that. Okay, to show the hand to the doctor, he goes to the hospital.
Okay.
So darshayitum gacchati. To show the hand to the doctor, right? Darshayitum gacchati, you can say. Darshayitum gacchati, darshayitum ichchati, but not darshayitum vadati.
Okay.
Next vakya, Kameshwari. Etc. So one vakya, it takes 1 hour. Very good. The next one.
Okay. Tvam kena hastena likasi. This is lik dhatu. Lika becomes lik.
What is the meaning?
To write.
Sanskritam, Sanskrita, English meaning you know.
Akshara vinyase.
Vinyasa, what is vinyasa? You should now learn little more. Okay, that's why I'm asking what is Sanskrita meaning. Vinyasa is throwing the letter vinyasa. Nyasa means, okay, nyasa, sannyasa, have the form nyasa. Vinyasa, sannyasa, that is from the dhatu, ni upasarga. That is this asdhatu. Just for your knowledge, I'm saying asdhatu. What is as?
To be.
No, not that as.
Throw. Another meaning is throw.
Not another meaning. That is another gana. This, right? Asyati, fourth gana. That meaning is the kshipati, asdhatu. So, right here, asdhatu, kshepane, fourth gana dhatu, asdhatu. So, asdhatu with ni purvaka plus as, one krit pratyaya is added. We have not seen that. Don't worry, there are so many pratyas are there. We have not seen. This itself will take some time. Dhin pratyaya, if you add, the as will become as, asa, with the ni upasarga. Ni plus asa, what will happen?
Nyasa.
This is how you get nyasa. With some upasarga, with the nyasa, what will happen?
Sannyasa.
It becomes sannyasa. Some sannyasa, we will have the form sannyasa. Sannyasa means to give up. As means to throw. Samyak nischayena asyate. Kshipati. Iti sannyasa. That's called sannyasa is tyaga, giving up. Now here, vinyasa. The same dhatu with the upasarga and the ni plus as plus gain pratyaya. Pratyaya is same, gain pratyaya. So as will become asa. Ni plus asa become nyasa with v upasarga vinyasa. Vinyasa means throwing. It is not giving up. Not giving up here. Vinyasa is akshara vinyasa means writing it. Akshara Vinyasa is writing. It's a very nice Dhatu Artha. Likha Akshara Vinyase. What vibhakti Akshara Vinyase?
Saptami.
Yes. Dhatu Pate Dhatvartaha Saptami Vibhaktau Vartate. All will be in Saptami Vibhakti in the sense of Vishaya Saptami, in the sense of Bhusattaya Lika Akshara Vinyase. Then another interesting, nice Nrit Dhatu. What is the meaning of Nrit?
Dance. That.
What is the Samskrita Artha? Find out and tell me. Nrit. Yeah, Dhatu Kosha. Please see.
Vikshepe.
Huh?
Gatra Vikshepe.
Gatra Vikshepe. What is Vikshepa? That's what we say. Kshepa. It is Gatra Vikshepe. Kship Dhatu. Kship means to throw. Throw here what? Gatra. What is Gatra? Sitanti mama Gatrani.
Body.
Parishushati. Gatrani is Indriyani. Parts of the body. Throwing the parts of the body. It means what? Dance.
Dancing.
In dance, what
Dance.
you are doing, you're throwing your hands, you're throwing your feet. Not throwing means continued throwing. Throwing your hands means you're just moving the hands. That's what is the dance happens, whether it's Bharatanatyam or whether it is a moonwalk. Yeah, so you're throwing your hands. Gatra Vikshepe. See how nicely Dhatu Artha is given. Yeah? So Akshara Vinyase, Gatra Vikshepe. Nrit Dhatu. Okay. So Lik Dhatu. Lik Dhatu. Which Gana is that? Akshara Vinyase.
Sixth Gana.
So Gana Viprana is?
Sha.
Sha is Gana Vikarana. Okay. So what is the Vakyam?
Tvam Kena Hastena Likasi.
So it's a question. Okay.
Yeah.
You make it into a sentence. Tvam Likasi is enough. Okay. Question is there, and we'll see the question. That's simple.
Okay.
Tvam Likasi. That is enough. That we take that as a sentence. We will do the all the.
And I have a doubt here. The Nyasam we say when we do pranayama.
That is also Nyasam. Yes. Anganyasa, Karanyasa is also the same. Anganyasa, Karanyasa. We say yes. The Nyasa. That's called Nyasa. Gayatri Japa or any Japa you do. When you do any mantra Japa, this Nyasam is important. Without Nyasam, the Japa is not Palavat Bhavati. Why? Because this you have to take the name of the Rishi. The Rishi, the Chandas. Even Rita Sahasranam also has got Nyasa. Devi Mahatmyam has got Nyasa. Kilakam, all those things we have to do. So Nyasa is that the same, that also Nyasa only, the same is Nyasa. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, Tvam Likasi, that is a Vakyam. We'll take that.
Okay. Tvam Likasi. So Shatru form will be
Lang Lakara and we can do, then they can do Kridanta.
yeah, that is. Shall it say Lang Lakara? Lang will be Alikat.
No, it is Madhyama Purusha. So
Okay.
you have to
Alikas. Alikatam. Alikata. Alikaha. Not
Alikaha.
Sakara, I said yes. Alikaha, Alikatam, Alikata.
Yes.
Then Lot Lakara
Tvam
will.
Alikaha. Vakyam also you can say.
Okay. Okay.
Tvam Likasi,
Tvam-
Tvam Alikaha.
Tvam no Tvam Yuvam Alikatam.
It's okay. Ekavachanam is enough. Okay, one vachanam is a big thing. Tvam
Okay.
Alikaha.
Okay. Lot will be Tvam Lika.
Okay.
Ling will be Tvam Likehe.
Yes. Tvam Likehe. Then Shatru you can use Lat Shatru.
Yeah. Lat Shatru will be Likan Tvam Asi.
Yes. Likan
Then-
Tvam Asi. Yes.
Then karmani will be tvaya likyate.
Yes, tvaya likyate. Good. Then
Then this next is
Tvaya.
shatru karmani. Tvaya likata. Tvaya likata bhuye. Likata tvaya bhuyate.
yes, likata.
Likata tvaya bhuyate. Because it is no, say it is
It's okay.
likata.
Why say it here? What's the connection? You're doing
Yeah,
Shatranta.
it is correct. Maruta, like that. Pachata, likata. Then ta will be
Karmani shana should be, form would be,
karmani shanach will be likyamana.
now say, what, give a vakyam. From likasi,
yeah.
you have to modify the vakyam.
Yeah.
You need to add some more things.
Likyamana tvaya.
No.
Likyamana.
You said the sentence, then I'll correct it. Yeah, complete the sentence.
Shanach, no, we have to tell shanach karmani.
Your sentence.
Likyamana tvaya.
Likyamana tvaya. What is likyamana? What vibhakti likyamana? Sentence is not.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Likyamanaya.
Not Likyamanaya. No. What is likyamana? You tell me. What is likyamana and what is likan? Likyamana, likan. What is the difference between these two?
Yeah, here we have to bring karta only. Likyamana karta only. We have to say.
No, not
okay.
karta. No. Listen. I'm asking the difference between likan and likyamanaha. What is the difference? Or take the pratipadikam. Likat pratipadikam. Likat and likyamana. Likat is Shatranta. Likyamana shanach. What is the difference between these
Simple
two?
shanach. Okay. No, simple shanach means it gives us a.
Shanach is simple only.
No. It's not karmani. Kartari shanach.
Leave everything. Okay. Leave everything. Just what is likat? What is likyamana?
If I say likat something means who is writing.
Writer,
that,
yes. Karta.
Writer, that present
Karta.
participle.
Simple. Kartra bigitam.
Yeah.
Saha likan asti. Tvam likan asi in this word. Likyamana is
Likyamana karmani, right?
Karma. It is karma. So you have to supply karma to use the word likyamana. Right?
Yeah.
Now say the vakyam. Tvam likan asi. Can use likyamana.
Tvam.
You have to supply some karma. Something you have to supply. That is your choice.
Katha, some kavita.
Yes. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, good. Yeah, tell me. Tvaya likyamana kavita. Yes. Tvaya likyamanam kavyam. Tvaya likyamana gita. Tvaya likyamanam pustakam. Tvaya. So we can do like that. So likyamana. That is karmani shanach. Karma has to be there if you are using shanach. Right? Because karmani. Okay, good. Next one. Tavatu.
And I have a doubt. Likyamanam sapustakam. We have to say asti there.
Understood, yes. Tvaya likyamanam pustakam asti. Pustakam asti. That's what. Pustakam book is there.
Okay.
Not pustakam bhuyate. Pustakam asti. What pustakam? Likyamanam pustakam. The book is written by whom? By Acharya. Bhagavata. It is likyamanam pustakam. Acharyena likyamanam pustakam. Etat asti. Right?
I
think the doubt is you asked in the last class also. The same thing.
I forgot and made the same mistake.
I thought it clarified in the last class. Okay.
And before that. Then
Ta-
ta
tavatu.
pratyaya will be
Yes.
tvaya
First you say the word, then you can use it in the vakya.
um,
Lik plus ta will be
likitah. So tvaya likitah.
yes. Lik plus ta is likita.
Tavatu will be likitavan. So
likitavan.
tvam likitavan.
Okay.
Then lirt will be lik plus sya plus. So likish.
No, no.
Itagama will come, no?
Not only itagama,
Ah,
syati is ardhatuka pratyaya.
wala.
Therefore, it can do angakaryam. also.
Angakarya. So lekishyati.
Lekishyati, yes, that's a form.
Oh,
Form is lik will become lekishyati. So
okay.
tvaya, I mean, okay, tvam pustakam or what is tvam lekishyasi. You will write.
Yeah, lekishyasi. Then trich, here also it will become angakarya. Then lekitru.
Yes. Here likdatu state or unit or wait. Likdatu. It is set dhatu. Okay.
Hmm.
It is set dhatu. It can take karma, right? Writing, it can take karma. So, therefore, lik plus trich would be
Lekitru.
the form would be lik is a set dhatu. Trich is also a set pratyaya. Ardhatuka valadi. Therefore,
Itrich will become.
becomes
So
Itrich.
itrich. Lake plus itrich. So lekitru.
lekitru. So lekitru means
One who is writing.
yes. Lekitru, the writer.
Writer.
Lekakaha ityartha. Lekaka, right?
Yeah.
The writer. Okay.
Then null will be plus that will become lekakaha. Again,
Just
right.
a minute. Likitam. Yeah, okay. Likita and all we did. Likita, you said, right? Likitavan.
No.
Okay. That out to before. We did.
Tavatu I did.
So,
Yeah.
Tvam likitavan. Tvam alikaha. So, likitavan is equal to alikaha. I'm just saying karmani. Just say kridanta with lang karta. Lang prakara. Karmani, kartari only. Okay. Add some. Okay, fine. Next one. Continue.
Null will be
Yes.
lekakaha.
Yes. Lekaka, right? So lekita, lekakaha. Srilinga would be
Lekika.
lekika. Lekitri, trich. Lekika
Yeah.
is this. Null pratyaya. Okay. Then lut would be
Lekanam.
lekana. What is lekana? Right?
With which we are right. No.
You're going to see, I think, patra lekanam, automatic. Lekanam is writing. Lekhanam.
Okay.
Okay. Then tavya.
This is likitavya.
Yes.
Likit-
Lekitavya. Li is there. Undergo guna. And it is a
Okay.
state also. So lik will become
Lekita.
lekitavya. Itagama will come. Right?
Okay.
So it is leki. Here
Lekitavya.
lekitru is the same thing. Lekitru, then lekitavya. The next one.
Lekaniya. Aniya.
Okay, I think you have to use this. Tavya, aniya, and all you have to use in sentence.
Lekitavya.
Even lekitru, lekaka, all those things, you have to say vakya. Lekaka. Tvam lekakaha asi. lekita asti, depending on the gender. Then lekhanam, how do you use? You can say some vakya, lekhanam, using lut pratyaya. I'm just going before, okay. Lekhanam,
Mhm.
say some vakya.
ले त्वया लेखनं पत्रम् अस्ति
No,
Ah,
not toya.
भूयते
Tava
Tvam.
lekhanam, etat tava lekhanam. This is your
You are
writing,
right.
write up. Right? Lekitavya, use the word lekitavya.
त्वं पुस्तकं लेखितव्यम्.
Come will not come, okay. Tavya karma.
Okay,
How can be come?
okay. कर्मणि प्रयोगं.
Okay, there is one thing which that's what I was thinking. That okay, this okay, I'll tell later. It's going to come. The context of Tumun, I will say. Yeah, you say the vacuum now for this lekitavya.
तो त्वया लेखितव्य
Tvaya
लेखितव्य कविता
Tvaya lekitavya kavita. That
Kavya,
is, kavita should
kavita.
be written by you.
स्त्रीलिंग yeah
Tvaya lekitavya kavita.
कविता
Tvaya lekitavyam lekhanam. The write-up should be written by you. Okay, Anir would be.
लेखनीय. Is it correct? लेखनीय, that form?
Yes, yes. Lekhaniya only.
And then त्वया meaning is aniyam. You are capable of.
Meaning is Lekhaniya.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are capable of writing.
No,
or-
Lekhaniya, Lekitavya, all the same thing. The same. Tvaya lekhanam lekhaniyam.
Okay.
Tvaya lekhanam lekhaniyam.
लेखनीयम.
It's the same. There is no
Okay.
difference.
Okay.
Here
Then
it is. Only thing is, here what happens, this itagma will not come. Otherwise, it is same. Lekhaniya. Lekhaniya, lekhanam, lekhaniyam, lekhanam. The top pratyaya.
Meaning is
So-
you should write like that, no, Sharma
Yes,
ji?
that is the meaning. Yes, should
That's
should be
what-
written. Should be written. Yes. Lekhanam, lekhaniyam. Write up should be written. By whom? That you can separate. Tvaya or maya or tena, taya, etc. Should be written. That is the meaning. Ling lot arte.
yeah, can we take 2-3 sentences and use all these things separately?
2-3. That one sentence you can. We need to have some.
No,
Words.
like example, if we do separately, we can follow that.
Like
with
what?
meaning. No, now we are writing, no, this separately, just using Trichnval, Lyot. Now we didn't do separately, no, so why don't we do just 2-3 sentences
Separately means what? I didn't understand.
with here in between we are doing, no, instead of that. If
In
we
the
learn,
context of Tavya, Kritya, that we have done. Shatranta, we have done a lot of exercise.
yeah, this only, this
Sim-
Tavya, Aniya,
Tavya also we have done.
Lyut, no,
Tavya and here we have done. There's a separate topic. Krityaha, we did. There we saw the examples.
words we know, that usage, using in sentences.
No, that usage only I'm saying. Usage only I'm saying. Under Krityaha section, when we saw Kritya, there we saw the examples. There we saw the examples. I gave some few sentences. Krityaha. Maybe Lyut and all we have not. For every Kritya we didn't do. That is not possible also. But Krityaha, there, Aniyar, Tavya, Yat, you have the notes with you. Please check it. So that examples we have seen. Kritya, let me take it that. Kritya, Pratyas, Karaniya. Show you 1 minute. Okay, yes, this is the Kritya which we have seen, but that, as you said, sentences are not there. That is what we are doing here. This is a Kritya section, not what we saw before. Okay. So this, yes, sentences are not there.
Yeah.
That is what we are doing now here.
Yeah, we have seen dhatus.
We have not seen the sentences. Sentences as you
Sentence.
said. Sentences, that is what we are doing it now here. So you have to supply some words. You have to supply some words. Otherwise, the context will come. Then only we will see those. So I'll try and use some sentences for different pratyas. Kshatriya we have done. It's a separate book, is a Kshatriya Commentary.
Yeah.
So with Tavya and Kritya Pratyas, we have to write and we have to publish. We will do it.
Just 2-3 sentences for examples. That's enough.
This Vakya itself
Where to
we can
use
say.
kartari, karmani?
Where to use Kartari? This Kritya and all, it's Karmani only. In the Vakyam, here it is from Likasi only is there, Karma not there, supply Karma. So that's Lekaniya, suppose if we want to use, Karma has to be there. That's why I said Pustakam Lekaniyam, Kavyam Lekaniyam. We have to bring in some words. So we are trying to use this Pratyaya in this Vakya, using this Vakya, nothing is there. Only Karta Tum is there and Likdatu is there. Supply other words. Karma you have to supply. Right? So what you're doing is the usage of this Tavya and here only. Say Lekaniyam, then Pustakam Lekaniyam, Gita Lekitavya or Lekaniya, Kavita Lekaniya or Lekitavya. You can use like that.
Okay.
In fact, this is the practice of what we have learned the words. The derivation part we know. That is why I asked you to use these words. You form sentences, bring in some words. Separately, if we want to do, I have to give some examples. Think of some examples and write. We can do it. Okay. In fact, we will do it when we do Antoine Volume 1. There, the sentences are there, the translations. We will use that. A lot of translations are going to come. Then we will see. Yes, simple Vakya. That you can use this. So, Toya, Kena Likasi is there. Kena you remove. Toya, Pustakam Lekaniyam. Toya, Kavita Lekaniya. That Vakya you can do. That is enough now. We will see later. Right?
Okay. Okay. Now,
Twa
Twa is Likitva.
Likitva. Yes. Then with some upasarga.
Samlikya.
Sanlikya. Sanlikya, it will become some plus. We can do that. Torli. Some plus lik plus lyap will become. The makara will become. Makara is padanta makara. Padanta makara will become, then followed by, will it become anuswara. So some plus lik plus, yeah, that will become sanlikya.
Likya. Okay.
Having written well.
Parasavarna.
Yes, it's Parasavana Sandhi. Okay. I said Torli, sorry.
Torli, yeah.
Yes. Parasavana Sandhi. This is Sanlikya. Then Tumun.
Tumun is Likitum.
Lekitum, not
Lekitum. Yeah, lekitum. Yeah, lekitum.
use this in the Vakya. Now you can use all these
Tvam,
words. Yeah, you have to
ah.
say sentences. Some
Yeah.
likitva, some likya. You can say some words.
Okay.
Use the words
Lekitum.
likitva in a sentence in the Vakya. Likitva. Saha
Right.
kavyam likitva. Saha.
Mm.
Okay.
Point.
Vyasacharyaha Mahabharatam likitva. Right?
Likitva. Another.
Puranani likitavan. I'm just giving my sentence. Having written the Mahabharata, then he wrote Puranas. Right?
Okay.
Or samlikya. You can use the word samlikya. Ramaha kavyam samlikya. Or kavitam samlikya. Kavya lekanam kritavan.
Ratavan.
You can say then.
Mm.
Tuman pratyaya. Kriyayam kriyartayam. Tuman. Lik plus tum becomes lekitum.
Lekitum. So, lekitum.
You say a sentence.
Tvam lekitum ichasi.
Yes, ichasi. Use the word shak.
Tvam shaknosi. Shakno.
Yes.
Is it shakno?
Shakda to your choice. Shaknosi or shakyate karmani also you can use.
Shaknosi. Okay, shaknosi. Aham.
Tena kavyam lekitum shakyate. Tena kavita lekitum.
Lekitum.
Kavitam lekitum. Kavitam
Okay.
lekitum, not kavita. Kavitam, kavyam, kavitam, karma, it has to be karma. Tum is the
Okay.
karma must be there. Tena kavitam lekitum shakyate. I used karmani prayoga. If you use tvam, shaknoshi. Kim kartum shaknoshi? Kavyam lekitum shaknoshi. Tvam. So you can,
It will
use
become
vakya.
no shaknoshi. It is she.
Shaknoshi only, yes.
Okay,
Shaknoshi.
Okay.
Because tvam is there, therefore shaknoshi.
Okay.
You say vakya like this, that becomes a abhyasa now.
Mm.
Friends, Nijanta. Okay, you said one more sentence. Lekitum. But everybody have to use, I mean, you have to use, everybody has to say one sentence. Otherwise, one person will be doing the whole exercise. Yeah, I think we can do it in the next class. One form we will write. You say some sentence. We will correct the vakya. Right? Now, lekitum is there. Now, Ramaji can tell a what sentence.
Okay.
Lekitum. Others, also please type your Krishnanji, type your name in the chat box. Lekitum.
Valmiki Ramayanam lekitum aichat.
Lekitum, very good. Aichatu.
Yet.
Valmikihi, it is Valmikihi, Ikaranta, Harihi.
Kihi.
Valmikihi, it is Rasva, Ikarantaha.
Hmm.
Valmikihi Ramayanam Lekitum Ichati.
Lekitum aichat.
Okay, very good. Aichat is Langlakara. Then another sentence, Krishnanji.
लेखितुम्
Agam Pravesha Pariksham. Okay, Sanskrit. Or Kovida, why Pravesha? Kovida you can take. Agam Kovida Pariksham.
लेखितुम्
Lekitum.
इच्छामि.
You have to say sentence. I have already said.
Okay.
You have to say the sentence. I want to write a letter to the Prime Minister. Okay, this is my sentence. You write. Translate into Sanskrit.
अहं प्रधानमन्त्र्यां
Start with the Kriya Padam always. Okay. Okay. Then only you will able to fix the.
इच्छामि is a क्रियापदं. So अहं सूचनं लेखितुम् इच्छामि.
Suchanam, Suchana is Suchana or Patram, right? Patram.
Patram.
Suchana is notice.
पत्रं.
Or Patram, yes. Patram. Lekitum.
इच्छामि.
The first is say Patram Lekitum Ichchami. Okay, fine. Then
कां प्रधानमन्त्र्यां.
Mantriyam. Why Mantriyam? Pradhan Mantri only is a Pratipadika, right? Pradhan Mantri.
प्रधानमन्त्रीं, right?
Pradhana Mantri is a Pratipadikam.
दीर्घ इकारान्त.
It is Pradhana Mantri Nakaranta, right? Pradhana Mantri, Pradhana Mantrino, Pradhana Mantrinaha. Please check the. It's all, I think there is a Nakaranta Shabda. I think so.
मन्त्रीं, okay.
Mantrino is only. We have seen some other context. Pradhana Mantri. Okay. Pradhana Mantrin is a Nakaranta Shabda. I don't know. You can just check. Mantri, Mantrino, Mantrinaha only, I think. That's what I remember. Yes. So, I think yes. Pradhana Mantri Nakaranta Shabda only. Okay. Now, Pradhana Mantri, Pradhana Mantrino, Pradhana Mantrinaha. Why Pradhana Mantriyam then? Yes.
Around, yeah. So, पत्रं लेखितुम् इच्छामि.
Tell me the word. Pradhana Mantri, I didn't say. I want to write a letter to the Prime Minister.
द्विवचनम्, okay. The द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं would be
Agam Pradhana Mantrinam Prati. Pradhana Mantrinam, it's enough. Prati granted. Pradhana Mantrinam.
पत्रं लेखितुम् इच्छामि.
Yes. Mananiyam Pradhana Mantrinam, honorable. There also Mananiya, respectable, honorable. Mananiyam Pradhana Mantrinam. Lekhanam, Patra Lekhanam or Patram Lekhitum Ichchami. Right? Parvatiji, you say one sentence. Lekhitum.
अहम् एकां कथां संस्कृते लेखितुम् इच्छामि.
Very good. Sangamitraji.
लेखितुम् अर्हामि. अहं संस्कृतं लेखितुम् अर्हामि.
Sanskritam Lekhitum Arhami. What do you mean? What is translation?
It's possible for me to write in Sanskritam.
Okay. Lekhitum Arhami, but it can be little better. Lekhitum Arhami. So you can use. He deserves to do. Kritum Arhami. Form sentence is correct.
Okay. I just wanted to use something else.
You say some vakya.
Okay. I don't so
many are there.
Given, so
I will give you a sentence. He went to US.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
To write a exam.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
He went to US to write an exam.
We went to US to write the exam. Okay.
To write an exam, yes.
Okay. Aham gacchami. Okay. Aham gacchami. Aham lekitum gacchami.
Okay.
Aham US
America.
Okay.
America
gacchami.
Kimartam gacchasi tu?
Pariksha.
Lekitum.
Pariksha lekitum.
Pariksha na. Pariksham
सायं परीक्षां या
lekitum.
परीक्षां लेखितुं गच्छामि अमेरिकां
Pariksham lekitum. Amerikam.
गच्छामि
Kada gacchasi?
yeah. Uh,
Coming month.
okay.
In the coming month.
Coming month. Next.
आगामी मासे
Ah, very good.
Okay.
Agami
Agami
mase.
mas. Okay.
Agami mase agam
Okay.
pariksham lekitum
परीक्षां लेखितुं
America desham
अमेरिका देशं गच्छामि. Okay.
gacchami. Videsham gacchami. Right?
Okay.
Now,
अमेरिका
Kameshwari.
विदेशं गच्छामि.
Are you happy now? We do sentence like this only. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to say sentence instead of me giving. Now we will do like that. Okay. Now Nijanta. Nijanta also you have to prepare one sentence. Be prepared. Stadatu. Okay, sorry. Likdatu. Lik plus nich. What is the rupam? So Kameshwari.
Yeah, yeah. Lick will become Leki.
Yes.
Lake.
Leki is a new dhatu.
Yeah.
Leki.
Lekayati.
Yes. That lakara is a one vakyam.
Lekayati.
It's correct only.
Yeah.
You say the kriya padam. That lakara pratama purusha ekavachanam first you say.
Lekayati.
Lekayati. What samshayam is there? Lekayati, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It was cause to return.
Cause to write.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Cause to write.
Saha likati. Kaha lekhayati. You say the sentence now. Use the vakya. Saha likati. I have said. Use lekhayati now.
Right. Sahalikayati. You have to say by someone like.
You say it. We have seen Nijanta. You have to give it a sentence now. Saha
Saha
likati.
adhyapakena patam lekayati.
Oh, what does it mean? What is the translation? Tell me what you're saying.
No, she
It's okay.
was.
Whatever sentence you said, you translate it. Saha adhyapakena patam lekayati. It means what?
She was made to write, means Kartari will come. No?
You
She
tell the
is
meaning of
made
the
to-
sentence. It's okay. I don't want to enter. You just tell the meaning of the sentence what you said. Saha adhyapak. You say saha adhyapakena patam lekayati. Just translate the sentence what you gave.
She.
Not she. He only is there. Where is she?
Okay, yeah. Saha he by the teacher.
I don't know how you
She
approach the
was-
sentence. You gave a sentence. You know what sentence is. You translate it. It's your sentence. Lekayati is what is the meaning of lekayati?
Made to write.
Cause to write. Kaha
Cause to
lekayati.
write.
Kaha lekayati. In your vakyam itself, who is the karta? Kaha lekayati.
Adhyapakaha.
No. You said saha le. Come on.
Yeah,
lekayati
that is wrong. Yeah, Adhyapakaha.
No, it's okay. You translated what the sentence you gave. It's okay. You thought something and you gave something. I know it.
Yeah. Saha lekayati, I said.
Saha lekayati means what?
He
causes to write, right?
Yeah.
He made someone to write. Who is that someone?
Adhyapakin.
So he caused the
Okay.
teacher to write the what lesson? The patham.
Patam.
That is what not you intend to say, but you said
Yeah.
like that. So that shows you have to
Yeah.
Saha acharyena adhyapakena upadhyayena patam lekayati. That is student makes a teacher write the lesson. The student will not do homework. The teacher will do homework for the student. That is what you are saying. Now say it correctly. I mean the correct meaning.
Yeah, adhyapakaha tena patam lekayati.
That is now the teacher causes the student to write the lesson.
Yeah.
Right? That is the word.
Yeah.
Ramaji, lekayati. Lekayati. I'll give you one sentence if you want. Beautiful sentence is Ramaji.
Okay.
Shall I give?
Yeah. Yes.
You know the story of Mahabharata. Where who wrote Mahabharata?
Yes.
No, Vyasa did not write. Vyasa dictated. Who wrote?
Ganapati.
Ganapati.
That is a
Ganesh.
vakya for you. You can say that. It's a good sentence, good vakya, good sentence.
Yeah. Vyasaha Ganapati.
Ganapati Shabda you have to use.
Ganeshan. Hari.
You start from the
Harina,
Kriya Pada.
Ganapati.
Start from the always Kriya Pada. Approach should be from the
Lekayati. Vyasaha
Vyasaha lekayati. Good.
Lekayati.
Vyasacharyaha lekayati.
Then Ganapati na Mahabharatam Lekayati.
Yes. Vyasacharyaha Ganapatina Ganeshena Vinayakena Mahabharatam lekayati. Nice sentence. Dr. Kameshwari, this sentence is better, right? Instead of
Understood.
student making the teacher right. Krishna. Use the word lekayati, Krishnaji. Krishnaji, there? Yes.
Mata Shishram Grihapatam Leka
Lekayati.
Lekayati.
But there's a mistake in the sentence. Say the sentence again.
Mata Shishram Grihapatam
Complete.
Lekayati.
Say it again. Say it again.
Shishuna.
Mata
Shishuna.
Mata Shishuna. Shishuna Grihapatam lekayati. Now Sangamitraji.
Yes, Jay. Please give the sentence.
Okay. Okay. The teacher has given you homework, but you did not write. You got it written by your friend. Okay, this is the vakya. You have to make it into a vakya and say it. The teacher has given you homework, but you did not write.
I made the friend to write the homework.
That's
right?
what yes.
Okay. Lekayati. Okay. Lekayati.
Lekayami.
Okay. Lekayami. Aham lekayami. Okay. Mitrena.
Yes.
Aham mitrena grihapatam
lekayami. Right. Parvatiji.
Sorry, lekayami. Yeah.
Lekayami. Mitrena grihapatam lekayami.
Sir, ning sentence kudungo. I will try to.
See, this you have to give sentence. I'll be. I'm exhausted now. I don't have sentence. I have to think.
No, Jay. When we hear one sentence, our brain doesn't work apart from that. It goes beyond those sentences.
Okay.
Bhavan, sir, Bhavan Maya Sanskritam Lekhayati.
Yes. You. That is, I make you write Sanskritam, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Now use instead of lekayati, you can say that lekhanam. What I want to say is okay. Leave it for my word, which was a little complicated, not required. The next one, Kameshwariji. We'll just complete this, and then next class we will do like this. So
Okay.
one sentence, one prayoga, each one of you can try. Then only that language will develop. Now you know the Vyutpatti. I mean, out of the derivation of it comes what it comes. The Samskrita, that you say that Abhyasa has to come. We have to keep doing more and more Abhyasa. Okay. Kameshwari, let's
Ta
complete this.
ta pratyaya leki plus ta will be lekitah. Lekita.
Leki plus ta.
Ta.
It will be lekita.
Lekita.
Okay.
Then tavatu will be lekitavan, lekitavat.
Yes. Then Rit Lakara, interesting.
Leki plus is it lekishyati?
Yes, no doubt. Lekishyati.
One e goes and
Yes, lekishyati. Okay. What does it mean, lekishyati?
will be
You will
caused
write.
to write.
Yes, lekishyati. Okay. Now, Sangamitra, you said a sentence. I will be writing the exam next year.
Okay.
Why exam comes something
Lekishyami.
else?
Lekishyami. Aham lekishyami.
No, causative. Okay. How can be lekishyami?
This is okay. Lekishya.
Okay, the sentence what I
Future
give is
tense, right? It's
yeah,
future
future tense, but it's causative. I will be
Oh.
writing the exam means I will cause somebody to write the exam.
No. Okay.
I will make you write the exam, the Sanskrit about the exam next year. That's what it means. Okay.
What is the normal future tense form, Ji? Then?
What is the normal?
If it, I
Lik
mean,
plus,
it's like simple future.
lik plus ya plus t will become.
Lekishyati.
Okay, this is some
The same
mistake. Oh, no, this is a mistake.
That's why.
Okay.
I was
Leka ishyati.
considering.
It is leka ishyati.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Lekishyati is simple future.
But I gave a simple only to you. I mean,
No,
Okay.
see here, how do we
Yeah, that is why I told Aham lekishyami. That will
Yes,
be
yes.
correct.
yes. What is the question, Kameshwari?
no, how do we get this?
Leki plus ya
will
plus t.
become
I wrote by
lek-
mistake.
Leke.
The normal form. Leki will become leke.
Leke.
Lekai,
Okay,
leka
ishya.
ishyati. Ittagama
Yeah.
will come here. Leka
Yeah.
ishyati.
Yeah,
Now use
understood.
the word leka ishyati in your vakyam. Any vakyam you can say. I started from Sangamitra. Okay, let us do it. Leka ishyati means what?
Causing to write. Okay.
In future. I will causing to write
Yeah,
someone in
to
the
write.
future. In the future.
Yeah.
The teacher will cause a student to write the exam, Sanskrit exam next year. The teacher will make the student write the exam next year. Okay, that's what it means.
Okay. Lekayishyati.
Lekayishyati.
Adhyapakah lekayishyati. Chatrena lekayishyati.
Chatri Bhagavachanam. Okay.
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 Exam next year.
Yeah. Agami varsham kenna.
Agami Varshe.
Varshe.
Agami
Okay. Agami Varshe.
Samvatsare.
Agami Samvatsare. Pariksham lekayishyati.
Yes. Agami Samvatsare Pariksham lekayishyati Acharyaha. Right?
Yeah.
Chatrehi will come. You tell me.
Chatra.
The teacher will make the students
Chatraha.
write.
Yeah, chatraihi. Yeah.
Huh?
Plural will be chatraihi, right? Yeah.
Yes. No, by this year. I'm not. I don't know whether Leka Ishyati or Leka Ishyati you have to use. I given the sentence. You use. The teacher will make the students write the exam next year. Okay. Okay.
Chatraihi. Yeah, chatraihi is correct. Chatraihi lekayishyati.
Yes, Chatrehi Leka Ishyati. Yes. Chatrehi Leka Ishyati.
Lekayishyati.
That is actually the meaning will not come like this. It's wrong actually. It is something like Leka Ishyati means causing to write the students.
Causing
teacher-
the exam to, okay. Exam only should come in Tritiya, is it?
No.
What is
Teacher makes the student write.
it?
I think it's okay. You can say like this. Some artha, this thing I thought. Acharyaha likishyati. The teacher
Likishyati.
will cause to write. What exam? Acharyaha pariksham lekayishyati. Agami samvatsare pariksham lekayishyati. Okay. We will make these students. So, you will chatran, it has to be that. That is what I was thinking. Chatran. Because the work
Okay,
chatrehi
karma.
means the teacher makes the student, the teacher is getting his job done to the students. No. He makes the students write the exam. So,
That also
chatran
come
it
in
has to be.
Ditya. Okay.
Yes, if you remember Nijanta, we have seen in that book, depending on the meaning of the dhatu, the context, it has this, the prayojakarta can be tritiya or dvitiya vibhakti, right? Remember, you have seen that point.
Yeah.
This point, prayojakakarta is acharyaha. Prayojakarta is chatraha in this example, right? The prayojakarta, what vibhakti will take, dvitiya or tritiya, that depends on the meaning of the dhatu. Likati, lekayati, the meaning is likati writes, lekayati causing to write. Even in the use in the vakyam itself, the teacher through the students, he get its job done. So that becomes chatrehi will come. But here chatran, I think acharyaha chatran agami samvatsare chatran pariksham lekayishyati. I think chatran will come. This is something I have to think. Acharyaha chatran lekayishyati. Or chatraihi also, it's correct only. Chatraihi.
Chatrehi means through the students.
That meaning will come. That meaning will come. That's why chatran I thought. Chatran, pariksham. Okay. I think chatran is better. Okay. This is purely common sense. There is no rule for it. This is purely common. There is no rule. So, acharyaha chatran pariksham lekayishyati. This is a vakya. You take chatra, not chatrehi. Okay. Yes. I think we can stop here. We'll continue. We'll continue the next class. So we need to do some exercise like this. Then only this your Samskrita, that's thinking usage will improve. But we are doing a lot of this prayoga, the derivation, but that alone will not improve. But you are doing different sentences. We are deriving different words, but we have to apply this derived words using a sentence. So be prepared with some vakyas. The lesson, whatever dhatus are coming up next. So that dhatu related words, vakyas, you can just think.
Okay.
I'll also give examples, whatever, but sudden stock, if I don't have, I also have to think. Stock is there, I will say. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.